Is your family having one of those days?
What's wrong, guys?
I'm bored.
That's right, you jerks! Change up that routine with Blue Man Group!
Well, this day just got a lot more interesting.
It sure has! When it's time to go to work, and it's time to go to school, mornings can be depressing. Let's start shaking up those mornings with Blue Man Group and KhanFlicks. Studies have shown that starting your day with Blue Man Group and KhanFlicks provides 98% of recommended daily vibrations. Let's face the truth. Your pet might not be getting all the nutrition they need. Spice up their diet with all natural nuts and bolts by Blue Man Group. Nuts and bolts sold separately. Blue Man Group and KhanFlicks not responsible for soiled rug. Playing throw and catch with that old baseball and your sad uncle just isn't fun anymore. Up your family's game with robot throwing arms. Look out, kids! Whoa, that's gonna leave a mark. Incredible! Blue Man and marshmallows not included. This is f***ing bonkers! Gross indeed! But wait, the fun's not over yet. Go to Blue Man Group's YouTube for part 2 now.